Hi, talk about Enigma by RuNyx. This comes out April 29th, tomorrow, when I'm posting this. I was absolutely honored to receive the advanced listener copy of the audiobook for this, and I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much to RuNyx and Ramble and Macmillan Audio and NetGalley for giving me the chance to read this early. This is one of my most anticipated reads from this year, and I absolutely loved this so much. This follows our main character, Salem. Salem has just started at Mortimer University, and Salem is there because her sister also went to the university a few years prior to her, and she mysteriously dies. And they say that it was a suicide, but Salem, knowing her sister, does not believe at all that her sister would have taken her own life. And so Salem is there studying criminology and also trying to figure out what happened to her sister. She uncovers lots of dark secrets, secret societies, and a lot of things lurking in the dark. And also, while she is doing her research, she finds out that her sister was not the only one that has mysteriously died at this university. Along the way, she meets Kaz, and Kaz is the student teacher to her psychology professor, and Kaz immediately takes a liking to her, and he decides that he is going to protect her, and he sees that she is turning over all these rocks that should not be turned over, and Kaz has his own agenda as to why he's at this school. He's a very brooding artist. RuNyx really knows how to write a brooding artist, and I absolutely love that. And so they start reluctantly working together, and I absolutely loved them. I loved their relationship. I loved this book so much. I gave this 5 stars. I highly recommend for a really fun, twisty, dark academia, murder mystery novel. I love the descriptive writing. I love RuNyx's writing style. I've read several of her books now, and I think this one is definitely one of my favorites. This was super twisty and mysterious, full of suspense, lots of secrets, secret society. Loved how the setting is super lush. I love the way RuNyx writes because I felt like I was right there at the university. Kaz was very mysterious and uncovering, all of his secrets and why he's at this university. I loved all the side characters. I love the friends that Salem makes along the way. Salem's character, she's very closed off in the beginning, so it was so sweet to watch her open up, especially to Kaz. I love the way that they really just knew how to comfort each other and be there for one another. Salem has nightmares because of her sister's death, and he's the only one that can really help calm her down and help her feel secure. They had so much chemistry. It was so fun. He would say the most unhinged things to her, and she would have the funniest responses in her inner monologue and to him, and I just loved them so much. They were so fun. Gave this 5 stars. I highly recommend. I had the best time listening to this. The audiobook narration was so good. I loved both the narrators, and it really made me feel like I was there at this university just solving a murder with Kaz and Salem. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you. Bye.